in the semiconductors, intrinsic semiconductors, now when you add these impurities, it starts becoming a conductor. It becomes a better conductor, right? So let me explain this process in much detail. There are two types of impurities for you to add. One is electron-rich impurities, second one is electron-deficient impurities. Let me begin with electron-rich impurities. Now we know that the group 14 elements are your semiconductors. Let us move to the next group, that is group 15 elements. When you come to group 15 elements, you know that they have 5 valence electrons. That means they have an extra electron which is making it a bit unstable. That is, they are good conductors. Some examples of group 15 elements is phosphorus, arsenic. Now, let me explain this process in much more detail. Let me take silicon from the group 14, that is a semiconductor. This is an intrinsic semiconductor. You see, when you take silicon, it has 4 valence electrons. This we are very clear about. Now, what do you find? That these 4 valence electrons of a single silicon atom bonds with the other silicon atoms. That is, let me take a silicon structure now, a silicon atom. It has 4 valence electrons. Now, each electron of the silicon atom is forming a covalent bond with the other silicon atom's electrons. In this way, you find that each silicon atom is bonded with the other silicon atom via their electrons by covalent bonds. Clear? Now, in this covalent bonded structure of silicon, let me introduce a phosphorus atom. A phosphorus atom which has 5 electrons. Let me replace one silicon atom with a phosphorus atom. Now what happens is, it has 5 electrons, right? You find that the phosphorus atom with its valence electrons starts bonding with the other silicon atom's electrons. That is, 4 valence electrons of phosphorus bonds with the other electrons of silicon atom. Now, you find that one electron is left out, right? One electron of the phosphorus is outside. That is, there is an extra electron. Now, this excess electron is what will result in the conductivity. That is, increase in conductivity of this semiconductor. And just by adding phosphorus to silicon, I find that conductivity has increased. Such type of semiconductors are called as N-type semiconductors because they have an excess electron.